Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Tsunamis are a reminder of nature's unpredictable power. They can strike without warning, leaving devastation in their wake. 1. Understand the warning signs. Watch for seismic activity. 2. Know your evacuation routes. Every second counts. 3. Stay informed through local alerts and news. 4. Prepare an emergency kit with essentials. 5. Create a family communication plan. 6. Practice drills to ensure everyone knows what to do. 7. After a tsunami, assess the damage carefully. 8. Seek help and support from your community. 9. Rebuild, but remember the lessons learned. 10. Respect nature. It can be both beautiful and terrifying.